LAURIE WHITWELL at Molyneux. There will come a point when the question stops being if Wolves will gain promotion this season, but when. This win moved them 4 points clear. In empirical terms, this win moved them 4 points clear at the top of the championship. But more than that, it is their style and confidence, which makes it mightily difficult to fathom how any team will finish above them. It took only 15 minutes for Wolves to pop the cork on their champagne football, and when it is the left back getting the party started, you know this team can really play. A packed Molyneux that has seen much to cheer this season let out a delighted roar that spoke of the goalless quality. In the 20th minute, Cavallero tried himself from distance, but Lonergan managed to hold. Diogo Jota was the spark, applying a nutmeg with the deftest of flicks and passing possession to Bonadini.